So for this assignment, you're going to be given a copy of this document, and it's got all the instructions that you need here. First of all, we're going to copy everything from our essay to this Google Doc. I'm going to do it just underneath the instructions and keep those there for now. Let's go ahead and take a look for our essay. So it's going to be in our old project folder, and we're looking for the Word document. You'll notice I sorted by type, and that makes it easier to group everything together. You can spot your Microsoft Word document. Now I'm simply going to copy everything. Control A selects all, Control C copies everything, and then I'm going to return to my document and paste it in there. What we most want is the outline. It does not need to be this large, and in fact I can go ahead and make it a little smaller. We're going to need some room to put our captions over on the right, so let's also do a file page setup and reduce the margins on the left and right to 0.5 so that we've even got a little more room. Now, first thing to do is to turn each of these into a hyperlink. You can do that with this icon right here. It's Insert Link. You can also go to Insert and choose Link, and I'm going to use the Control K keyboard shortcut because that's going to be the easiest. And rather than jump back and forth between File Explorer, let's go find my pictures. They're here in my favorite assets. I'm going to be getting these comments from this field. I'm going to get both of them on the screen at the same time just to make it a little easier to go back and forth. So let's start with Honduras. I'm going to click in the comments field, Control C copy, come back, highlight Honduras, and Control K brings up the link. Control V to paste in there, and Enter will apply the link. Now, in addition to that, you need to paste it down below. When you press Enter, it'll probably turn that blue, and then it'll be a link as well. We're going to need this to figure out what websites we're going to give credit to. Let's go ahead and get Guam. Click, Control C, then highlight, Control K, Control V, and apply. Control K, paste, and apply. Oh, I forgot Guam. Let's do this. I'm going to leave some room here in the middle and go and get it. So I can actually go and click on that link and get it from the picture itself. Copy image address. Or I can click on Guam and there's a little copy symbol there. So I'm going to paste that in there. Make sure you've got all 9 of them. Let's make room for the next one and move on to apples. Click and copy. Highlight apples, Control K, Control V, and let's not forget to paste it down here. Well, we don't really need to say all of that. We'll say that in the captions if we want to. I'm just going to go through and get the rest of these. That was a mistake, so I'm going to remove the link from that, and I'm going to instead get the stacks. Control C, Control K, Control V. If you go too fast, it's pretty easy to make a mistake. But just be methodical about it. There we go. Now I've got, looks like I pressed Control Enter, and that's my essay down below. We're going to need to get captions for these, so we might want to read our essay to see what we said about a particular thing, and that's why we didn't want to just list them, but we actually wanted to write one sentence about each one. We'll do that next.